Hi, Professor. Today I'll be discussing a case related to employment law violations in Canada, Ontario. The case I've chosen is English versus Manulife Financial Corporation, which deals with issues surrounding resignations, wrongful dismissal, and employer responsibility. I'll break down the case and I'll answer four key questions based on the employer's action, the laws violated, and what the employer should have done and the legal remedies available for the employee. So first question, what did the employee do wrong or employer do wrong? In this case, the employer Manulife made several mistakes where Elizabeth English submitted her resignation due to a planned computer system change. Her supervisor, Cleve Rameth, told her that she would change her mind later when the computer system conversation was canceled. So Miss English reacted her resignation. However, Manulife refused to accept her retraction and treated her resignation as final. The issue here was that her resignation was not clear and unequivocal. Um, so Miss English was not certain about retiring, and her decision was influenced by now canceled system conversion. So by referring to accept her retraction, despite the circumstances and the supervisor's assurance, Manulife wrongfully dismissed her. So I hope that answers your first question. And the second key question is what law was violated? The legal principle at here is wrongful dismissal under common law, and an employee cannot treat a resignation as final unless it's clear and unequivocal. So I hope that answers your second question. And the third one, and what should the employer have done to follow the law? So to comply with her law, Manulife should have respected the surrounding circumstances and the supervisor's assurance. Once Miss English expressed her intent to retract her resignation, Manulife should have allowed her to do so. So that I hope that answers your third question as well. So coming down to the fourth question, what legal remedies are available to the employee? So as a result of Manulife's action, Miss English was wrongfully dismissed, and she was entitled to legal remedies. The Ontario Court of Appeal awarded her 12 months pay in lieu of notice. This means that instead of being forced into an early retirement without compensation, Miss English received 1 year's worth of her salary to compensate for the wrongfully termination. And this remedy falls under the common law principle of damage for wrongful dismissal. So that was last but not least question answered for you. And so in conclusion, I would like to say that this case highlights the importance of clear communication and adherence to employment laws. Employers need to be cautious when handling resignations, ensuring that they are both clear and equivocal, and failure to do so, as seen in this case, can lead to legal consequences such as wrongful dismissal. Yeah, that'll be about it about this case. Thank you very much for listening.